Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 67 plate Volkswagen Polo Match Edition. This is the 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors. Finished in deep black pearl, and it's covered just 32,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this excellent looking Polo Match. September 2017 registered. 32,000 miles, just 2 former keepers. Really well maintained. 4 recorded Volkswagen services. So properly well looked after throughout its life. We've got these nice 15-inch silver alloy wheels that complement the metallic black really nicely. This is the 5-speed manual gearbox, 1 litre petrol with 75 brake horsepower with Blue Motion technology, so excellent option as a first time car. Really low insurance group, fuel consumption over 50 to the gallon on a combined run, so excellent option as a first time car or commuter tool or daily 5-door. Small hatchback and Polos are just great, aren't they? They do exactly what they say on the tin. Really well built. Nice specification, especially on these Match Edition models. You've got this nice cloth interior. Steering wheel's in excellent shape, as are the door cards. Remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, automatic lights. Steering wheel in really good shape. As I say, on there you've got controls for your trip computer, you've also got your Bluetooth controls. On the other side you've got your cruise control. There's the mileage, 32394 as it sits with us. Down below we've got a manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, 5-speed manual gearbox. In front we've got a couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, auxiliary with USB. All your handbooks towards the rear. Air conditioning down below. It does have front and rear parking sensors, which you can switch off using this button here. Start-stop facility, which you can also switch off. And then I'll just start the car up so you can see the infotainment system. Really straightforward to use these infotainment. You can use touchscreen or you can use the little button on the side here as well. So you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. There we go. You've also got DAB digital radio, and you've got your car menu, and if I put the car into reverse as well, you've also got a nice parking pilot that comes up with your front and rear sensors. So really nice spec. It's also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is through a USB, so really nice level of trim. Electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, good amount of headroom as well. And then flip the badge to get into the boot space. Split folding rear seats. You've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then a really good sized twin layered boot space, so you've got this nice pretty flat loading area, and then that lifts out to give you even more room underneath. And then underneath again you've got your tyre inflation kit and bits and bobs. So there we have it, September 2017 Volkswagen Polo Match. It's the 1 litre with a 5-speed manual gearbox, 32,000 miles with good Volkswagen service history. Finance is of course available, and there is a calculator on our website where you can play around with the figures. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Polo is always ever so popular, and this being a low capacity and low insurance group is likely to be just the same. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.